Good morning, traders, investors, Dale Sargent, Trader Boys. We got the markets up here this morning. Question is will they stay up? We are extended here. We've got the Russell leading the way up. It's up the most here at 0.69%. The Nasdaq is up the least. It's the weakest of the major indexes here. Here's a big one though: is the U.S. dollar is down 79 cents right now. Big move on the daily chart to the downside there, coming right down to the daily lows. Money coming into bonds. Oil's flat, and precious metals are trying to move up here. Big tech is on its way back up. Nothing really substantial except for Tesla up 2.65%. And coronavirus plays are still getting some love here. So we're getting a little follow through from yesterday there. So not looking too bad. In the news here, so we're going to have a small report coming here at 8:30, and it's just personal income and spending. A little later on in the morning at 10 a.m., we have consumer sentiment. So not a major report there. So really nothing in the news there. Let's go jump over. We'll take a look at the charts in the S&P 500. Not too much to see here or report here. We're still in a confirmed uptrend. We have a little bit of supply coming into this area right here, which is probable to break through. Right, probable to break through here. Next supply level is right there. So we'll see what happens up here. We got to break below this low, and then there's also still demand right here that we got to get through before we can really get to the downside. Then we got proven demand back in here still. This is still valid and in play right there on the S&P 500. If you look at the Russell's getting some love. We're still in this area here. We're going to get through this selling here before the Russell can really do anything. So that selling is proven. It's creating resistance there. On the Nasdaq here, a little supply here in the Nasdaq. Right, we've just moved up into that area. We got the 50 period moving average here below us. So we need to get below that 50 period moving average, and really we need to get below these lows in here before we can really look to short this mark and get weakness in here. So not too much going on there, not too much to report. The VIX. VIX is doing its thing. So VIX did kind of everything we expected it to yesterday. We should be coming up into these candles highs right here. We expected a little higher up to 28. We hit 20, just above 27. So a lot of volatility there in the VIX. And VIX, you can see this morning, is expected to move up a little more. So market's going up. VIX is expected to go up here a little higher. So that's kind of contradictory to the market's moving higher, and maybe a little insight to the market's moving lower. Oil is range bound, so oil is now in an area where there's no unfilled institutional orders. So from a day trading perspective, oil is probably a stay away until we get either above this high right here or below this low here and get out of this range in here. So that's your oil market from a day trading perspective. Gold came up into the supply area we had marked here yesterday, smashed that supply. It did not base and break out like I projected. It just tumbled straight back down to the demand, back down to this buying area, and we're never coming back up. So the next area we've gone with this wick in here, that's taken out the supply of this. So this is going to be your next area of supply right up top here. So 1992 is your next area of supply in the 60-minute time frame. Dale's going to have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday morning.